Gender Equality Jane mwana wa Jane Waroga Rugite ati monanite uhoti wa wale gutigirira ati ne matongoria na manyafara wega undu uri rumugite ati undu muhituku wa Arume ati no magiathana kana no magikorwo magitirithia maundu ni muhituke na mahinda atumia makiuri metikire kuhimbiria kamweke kau
the things as an organization and working closely with our partners and other development partners is to ensure how do we elected into leadership mentors to the others. It's not all about providing finances, but it's all about hand-holding people. How can Honorable His Excellency still hold hands of others? So that's what we are looking at, making her as a mentor, ensuring that she draws other women into this space.
Kwa kweli gavana wa Embu ni mama Her Excellency, two honorable MCAs kutoka Kieni North na Kagari South na hata woman rep ni wa kutoka hapo Runyenjes. Ningehimiza wengine wote katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, wacha tusiongozwe na jinsia, wacha tuongozwe na uongozi ule mwanamke au mwanamume ako nao. Hiyo ndio inapaswa kuwa sababu yetu ya kuchagua ama kupatia nafasi ya kuongoza, sio kama yeye ni mwanamke. Juu sisi wote kuna huo usawa, mikataba ambayo international treaties, Maputo Protocol and zingine zote ambazo zinatubind kupatia kila mtu nafasi ya uongozi.
Started this program in October 2021, but implementation in Embu and other counties we started in early 2022. And all of us, as we know, that 2022 was a year when we had the general elections in, and because UN Women want to champion the voice of women in leadership, we had to work with different implementing partners, different partners within the counties to ensure that women are given roles in the political space. So our coming here is to interact with the governor, Her Excellency Cecile, who was nominated in this county. And we have seen amazing works that she's doing within the first year that she has done, and therefore is to show that solidarity with her office, with the leadership that she has championed, but also coming together with our partners, that's the representation from the government of Canada, who have been so fundamental in ensuring that they do provide funds to this program. So we are so that we are seeing lots of reports that are coming in terms of appreciating her leadership, and we look forward to see other female leaders look to mentor as a leader, as an anchor in the political space, to show that actually when women are given the leadership.
Tukidina mbere ni ateru na munini wa